Hello children, I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. We were going through chapter number 13, Land, Water and Air. Today we will go through the topic pollution. Various human activities are making the land, water and air around us dirty or polluted. Dirty water from our homes and factories are flowing into water bodies and making them dirty. Garbage dumped on land is making the land polluted, and smoke from vehicles and factories is making the air dirty. We must take care of our earth and stop it from getting dirty. So, here, children, we do a lot of activities which make all land, water, and air polluted or dirty. Okay. Now, you may think how things get dirty, or the land, water, or air they become dirty or polluted. So, when we do our regular work, dirty water from our homes or from our houses, they flow into the water bodies, and even the factories waste, they are flowing into the water bodies and they make the water polluted and make them dirty. Then even we throw our garbage on land, we dump it on the land, that makes the land also polluted, and the smoke from vehicles and from factories, they make the air dirty. So we should try our level best to stop our land, water and air from getting polluted. We can go through many measures, like we should not throw garbage here and there. We should stop using vehicles a lot. We may bring cycles in use. We may use battery vehicles or electric vehicles in use, which will save fuel and which will not make the air polluted. So these are some measures which we can take to save our earth and stop it from getting dirty. Now, did you know we celebrate 22nd April as Earth Day every year? On this day, we promise to take care of the earth. We should plant more trees, keep our surroundings clean, and avoid using plastic bags to save the earth. Now look at the pictures and discuss the steps we should take to control pollution. So here children, we can bring bicycles more and more in use, and also we can stop pollution by keeping our environment clean, by not throwing garbages here and there, and also by not using plastic bags. Instead, we can use paper bags, jute bags, cloth bags. They are eco-friendly. Now, let's go through the exercises. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, flat lands are known as plains. Now, number 2, the land rises above the ground at some places to form dash and dash. So, what do they form? Mountains and hills. Number 3, the low land between two hills is called dash. So, we call it valley. Now, number 4, we cannot drink ocean or sea water because it is dash. Now, children, we have studied why can't we drink that water? Because it is salty. Now, number 5, moving air is called dash. So, we call it wind. Now, let's move to our next exercise. Exercise number B. Read the clues and circle the answers in the word grid. So, children, here in the word grid, you have to mark the words which we will get as answer from the clues. Number 1, hot and dry sandy land. What do we call it? We call it desert. So encircle desert in the grid provided. Now number 2, water body with moving water that flows into the sea. What do we call? Yes, it is river. Now number 3, we breathe these gas present in air. You know very well, we breathe in oxygen and we release carbon dioxide. So we have to encircle oxygen. Now number 4, the air that blows gently. So we call it breeze, and the air that blows with great speed, we call that storm. We have studied now. Strong wind is called storm. Now number 5. A place where we live made up of land, water and air. What do we call it? We call it earth. Earth, earth. So children, do these exercises in your book only. I have already forwarded you the attachment and even hard words which you have to write in your EVS copy. You can do exercises only in the book and learn your work. Read the chapter again and again. This much for today children. Next day we will start our new chapter. Till then take care. Thank you.